Tasks in Shovel are nested inside task categories, which are nested inside courses. You cannot create a task unless you create a course and a task category inside that course first. When you're creating a task category, you need to decide what the tasks in the category will be. You have 4 choices: a reading, a test, an assignment, or an ungraded task. The reading category is the reading source, which would be the name of a book or a PDF format. Your tests are graded tasks that you study for and take at a certain time. These are your weekly quizzes, midterm exams, and final exams. Assignments are graded tasks that you work on and hand in at a certain time. These are your weekly essays, lab reports, and problem sets. And ungraded tasks are things like reviewing your notes, doing practice questions, or watching videos. You can have either one or multiple tasks in each category. Okay, to create a course, be in your home and on your pile. To create a task category, click into the course and find the plus button next to the course name. We pre-populated some task categories for you, so you can either delete them or quickly change their name to fit your syllabus. You can see how many tasks you have in each category, which is 0 right now, and you're ready to start creating your tasks. For your convenience, there are multiple ways to create tasks in Shovel. To create a task and have the correct due date and due time immediately filled out, drag and drop a task category into the week view. As soon as you create the task, a dot with the number on top of the day will appear. This signals that a task is due that day. The purple color signifies a graded item, and the gray color signifies a reading or an ungraded task. Click on the dot to view the tasks and click on the tasks to view task details. To create a task and have the correct day filled out, drop it into the month view or into the agenda view. To view your task inside a list immediately after you create it, click over to the task list and drag and drop a task category into it. And to create a task from anywhere, click the plus button at the top of the screen. You can also create your tasks in our mobile app, but make sure that you have already created your courses and your task categories. If you're creating a single task, such as a final exam, keep the selection inside the task overlay at Create One Task. I talk about setting the time needed and how many days ahead before a task is due you want to get started in other videos, so go check those out. As a side note, if your reading source is a PDF, drag the PDF format to create a task and just copy and paste the link to the PDF into the details. We will hyperlink it so it is easily accessible. If you are creating a task that repeats regularly every week, switch over to Create a Repeat Task. Select what days it repeats on. For example, you may have a reading from a textbook due in every Tuesday and Thursday lecture. Set when the first one is due and how many days ahead before their due dates you want to get started on each one. It most likely ends repeating when your classes end, but if not, you can set a custom date. And press Next. On the next page, Shovel will find all the dates in the rotation that you selected. Cross-check the dates with your syllabus, unselect the dates during which the task isn't due, fill in the details for each task, and press Create. If you didn't fill in all the details for each task, don't worry. You can go to your task list, see which tasks are missing information, and you can fill it in throughout the semester. And that is how easily you can create all your tasks for the entire semester. I would definitely recommend you enter all your tasks at once at the beginning of the semester. Make a party out of it. You only have to do it once, but it will make you understand the scope of your semester and set you up for success. I hope you find this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.